That's some high quality H2O. Get the pour. Oh, I'm gonna get out of frame, dude. Oh, look at that. Oh, bring it back in. So this thing has a coolant leak, obviously. And yes, that is straight water. I know some people are gonna be furious.
Oh, you idiot, you put the coolant in it.
Well, I don't think it's gonna freeze anytime soon. It's 187,000 degrees today. So I think we'll be okay. I don't think we'll bust any freeze plugs out tonight, if I had to guess. I don't know. Put about a gallon of water in it if I run it 2 full days, every 2 days. So it's a pretty decent leak, but I ain't got time to be crawling around down in this stupid thing looking for it. I hope you like my water boy impression. Next thing we do is check the oil. Does that look all right? She is good to go, buddy. Ready to go. Now, we gonna go dig. Come on. James 1:2-4 says, "Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. Let perseverance finish its work, so that you may be mature and complete, not lacking anything." Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Welcome back. This video, we are putting the entrance in for this parking lot. We're getting pretty close to towards the end of the job here, and we saved this towards the end. You can see right here I'm clearing for it. Well, it's about 75-80 feet wide, so I had to clear this. Took me a little while, not very long, and then had to strip the topsoil and start filling it in. Luckily we had dirt on site, so we didn't have to truck any in. So yeah, we had to bring this up about 8 feet, and then we're ready for our stone and asphalt. We've got our subgrade on grade. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you don't mind, hit the like and subscribe button, comment, do all the stuff. Thank you guys. We've got 1,200 subscribers. It means a lot, guys, that you guys are enjoying this and watching these videos and stuff. It really means a lot. I'm very grateful. Thank you guys. God bless. Okay guys, so we are putting this entrance in now. We got it staked. You can see right about here, there's 2 feet of fill at this stake. So somewhere about the top of that stake will be grade. We're gonna be putting it in lifts. always start out with, okay, so I need to find something else to start each clip with. I am actually, I guess because you're riding with me, whoever you are. I am fixing this slope down here on this entrance. So the pipe guys laid their road pipe yesterday, and today we're just kind of cleaning up. It's July 3rd, so we're not working Thursday or Friday. It's supposed to rain next week, like every day pretty much, so we are just trying to clean up, get stuff ready for the rain. So I just came down here and I'm taking all the strippings that we had stripped off of this thing. I should have got a video of that, but I didn't. But we stripped the grass off. Tony stripped the grass off here, and we used some of them on the edge, but honestly it's going to be so tall that we need structural dirt all the way out to the edge. Okay, guys, here is the entrance. It has been a while. I forgot to do a finished video. So, as you can tell up here, it's about a foot low. Like I say, we'll have to come back and cut that edge, that shoulder off of the road there to get our foot of stone. They brought a load of gravel for attempt driving. Put it in with the track so it don't look that good, but I'm gonna come clean it up. But I just wanted to give you a view of the entrance. So this is pretty much it. This is it done. I know I set my camera up to get a video of this riprap, but it actually died as soon as I started that. So yeah, here it is, all done. So thank y'all for watching. If you don't mind, hit the like, subscribe button if you like what you see. Comment. I really appreciate everybody watching and responding. And y'all have a blessed day. Jesus loves you.